Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's fastest car. Um, so yeah, this car could actually go 300 plus miles per hour. Uh, this car is actually really fast. Actually, I'm pretty sure the fastest car in the game. And this car is actually limited. It was limited for 24 hours. It came out in yesterday's update. Pretty sure you guys know which car it is, but let's actually check out the car. So right over here is the car I am talking about. Forgot the name, but here it is. Super Sport 300 Plus. This car is actually limited. This car was actually like $4,100,000 more expensive than the Tesla Roadster, but this car is actually so nice. This car looks amazing. I really like the holes right here on the side of the cars. This car just looks amazing. Love the way this car looks. Really nice diffuser. This car is just amazing. We got the engine right here. Really nice Bugatti. So let's actually hop into the car right now. Before anything, let's actually check out the specs of the car. So here it is, 2022 car. It's limited. It has 1,180 horsepower, 1,180 torque, so same horsepower and torque. This thing weighs 4,361 pounds, and this car is all-wheel drive and has 2 seats, so 2 people could be riding in this car at the same time and no more. So let's actually do a quick speed test on this car. Let's actually put some grip tires on the car, and let's do a speed test right here. Let's try to get the most amount of road we can, to get the highest top speed we can. So here we go. So obviously we gotta get grip tires, and let's launch this car. So here we go. There we go. So we are already at 100 miles per hour, and now 200 already. Actually, really good. Approaching 250 right now. And we passed the Koenigsegg Agera's top speed already. And we're already at 300. No other car in the game can get 300. And this is the only car that could get 300 miles per hour. Alright, that was 302. I got up to 305 with this car before though. So let's do another quick speed test. Let's do another top speed run here because we only got to like 303, 302 there. I actually gotten up to 305 with this car, so we're gonna try to get the highest top speed we can today. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. Grip tires, yep. Let's launch the car. This car does not have too good of a launch, but it accelerates really quick and has an amazing top speed. Highest top speed in the game, actually. But yeah, this car is actually limited, so you actually can't get this car anymore. But it was actually on sale yesterday, so yeah, pretty expensive too. 4.1 million or something like that. 303. All right, we got up to 303. I don't know. 303 is the highest we seem to be getting. Pretty positive this car could reach 305 though. I don't know, let's do a quick speed test. No launch this time though. Actually, yeah, let's just launch this car. So here we go. There we go. Yeah, this car does not launch too good at all, but it does get up to speed really fast, which makes up for the launch. But yeah, we're already at 250, 260, 270 now. This car is really fast. Honestly, super fun driving this car also. Oh my gosh. Can barely even see. I think I messed up the run. 300. I hit the brakes a bit earlier. There, let's actually put this car on stock suspension, just in case, so we don't hit any curbs or anything, and makes the car slow down. So yeah, let's run this car on stock ride height. So here we go. This is going to be the last speed test we are going to be doing for this car. But here we go. 100 miles per hour already. 150 already. 200. There we go. Let me actually keep my eyes on the road this time so I don't hit a curb or scrape a curb and lose speed. Alright, 280. 290. Alright, we actually might hit 305 this time. I don't know if we can. Oh my goodness. What in the world? That is crazy. Went flying. Alright, let's do another quick last speed test right here because there was a hill right there. I kind of messed with the speed, so let's just do one more this way to the other end of the map, and this will be the last speed test, and then we'll check out other things of the car. So here we go. Take this car out to the main road. Here we go. This car also just looks so nice. Honestly, I think this is my favorite hypercar in game. Honestly, I think this is the best looking hypercar in game, not gonna lie. But here we go. Alright. Let's launch the car. There we go. Traction control on. Alright, here we go. Let's keep our eyes on the road. We are at 250. There we go. This car is so fast. 280. There we go, there we go. I'm hoping we could reach something higher than 303. I don't know. Here we are at 302, 303. 305, 306. There we go. I think that is going to be the top speed for today. 306 is the top speed I managed to get on this car. I don't know, somebody might have been able to get a higher top speed than that, but that's the highest I've ever gotten in this car. 306. But let's actually just test out a couple more features with this car. So obviously this car looks amazing. We have a wing here that actually moves down and up based on the speed. So if we actually speed up here, the wing will go up, and slowing down the wing will go down, which is a really nice feature. And actually the the Super Sport here actually has a different diffuser than the normal oops, almost left the game, than the normal car. So if we actually look at the diffuser right here and then hop over to this Bugatti right here, actually different diffusers, as you guys can see. I personally like the Super Sports diffuser a lot more. It looks a lot more slick, pretty nice. But yeah, I just really like this diffuser right here, a lot better than the other one. But yeah, overall this car is amazing. So let's actually check out the factory paint this thing offers. So we have red and black, white and black, and we have the original color here, carbon fiber, and some orange racing stripes. We have this sand color here, and then we have this grayish whitish color with no black in the back. Pretty nice colors. Let's ride this thing, drive this car in the this carbon fiber and orange racing stripes color here. But man, this car is so quick. It accelerates like crazy. This car is just so fast. Let's actually get some gas in this car. This car is also all-wheel drive. It handles really well. It doesn't really tend to spin out at all, for me at least. Look at this. Like, this car is just really good. Like, it doesn't spin out. Just handles really nice. Let's get some gas in this car. Here we go. That was about $54 in gas right there. So yeah, gas is pretty pricey on this car, obviously. But yeah, as you guys can see, this car handles really well. Overall, just a really nice car. But probably gonna end the video here. We did our speed test. This car, I'm pretty sure, pretty positive that this car is the fastest car in Southwest Florida as of the moment. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Top speed we got on this car is 306. But yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We are like very close to 6,000 subscribers. But yeah, that is going to be it. Make sure to comment down some video ideas. Comment down some video ideas you guys want to see. But that is going to be it, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.